Hello friends, today we are going to have a walk on the Burleigh walking tracks. This is one of the specialities to do, must do in Gold Coast. So this is the way towards the Burleigh walking tracks. We just showed you the Pacific Air Show, and after this we are going to the Burleigh walking tracks. Meanwhile, look at the architecture outside. Now we are on the Palm Beach, and look at the beautiful beach line and the tree line. The water is not very deep here, it's quite shallow, so it's a proper swimming area. This is the track that goes to the Burleigh walking tracks. There is beach on one side, and it's covered with trees, and it's a narrow one, so you can go along with me on this walk. Hey, hi!
Laying down in the
Meanwhile, during the walk, the ocean एकदम से ना आए यार किसको बोले the tides here, these waves are so beautiful and they are big. Okay.
Papa, can we go down there?
There is no way to go down, Safa. See, they have closed it.
How can
Let's go. Keep walking. You can give it to me. Look at this tree. It has so many branches. Where? And these trees have multiple roots and branches. Okay, there is the city. Yes. We have came from that area. What?
वो देखो वो
Oh yes. Yes, there is a whale.
There is a whale there. अभी पानी के अंदर गई, उसकी टेल निकली थी बाहर, दोबारा निकलती तो मैं बताता हूँ.
There is some fruit on this plant. See? Yeah. I'm not eating it, but I'm just telling you that there is some fruit on the plant. Some wild fruit.
Let's go back.